Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox connection error or problem reaching servers. Alright, let's begin. First, click on the Start menu, type Run, and open it. In the Run box, type %local app data % and hit Enter. In the folders list, scroll down to find the Roblox folder. Open it, then double-click the Logs folder. Select all files using Ctrl+A, right-click, and delete them. These are temporary files and safe to remove. Next, go back to the Start menu and open the Control panel. Set View By to Icons, then click Network and Sharing Center. From the left, select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your connected network, select Properties, then choose Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Set it to use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Press OK and close all windows. Now search for CMD, right-click it, and run as administrator. Type ipconfig /flush DNS, then netsh winsock reset, and hit enter after each. Restart your PC. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox connection error or problem reaching servers. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.